friends, but you'll invoke them. Yes, quite invoking. That is true. Quite invoking. Quite. Not really entertaining. Too. Actually, look at all the pockets. Look at them. It chirps from time to time, but what other lines are you tuned and channeled into? Now, I don't know. Who do you think? Friends visiting. And, was it safe to have friends over? Well, how friendly shall I join you to be? What be in the peace pipe trade suggestion box? Bethany, you invoke. Bethany's invoked. To see to the order of things. They never complain of the radio. They're always on 24/7. The lights are always on. And you think it keeps what away? What? More than meets the eyes. More. Far more than you will. Well, resisting. Very resisting to realize. But banish. I'm not sure this is the wish.
Your home for Bob and Sharon in the morning is KLNY.
Because what happens when you go behind the door?
Media Group Station.
Anonymous.